Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to sign in or log into your Gate.io account. For that, make sure you have the application. Now here you will be led to this kind of interface. There you can see the option sign up/login. You need to tap over there. Now this kind of box will appear. Here now you need to enter your email, phone or username that you have used while creating your account. If you haven't created your account, then you can simply tap on sign up for free option. But here we are about to sign into our account, so we will here enter our email. After you are done entering your credentials, simply tap on next. Here now you need to enter yourself a password that you have created while creating this account. In case if you have forgotten your password, then you can simply tap on forgot password option and they will be guiding you further to recover your password. If not, then you can simply tap on login. This kind of box will pop up. All you need to do is slide to complete the puzzle. Now a verification code will be sent to your email, so make sure to check it. All you need to do is remember this code, go back and enter it there. And now you can see that you are successfully signed in or logged in to your Gate.io account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.